This video will describe the installation process for the Polaris Pro HD winch. Before installation of any accessories, read the instructions thoroughly, ensuring all parts and tools are accounted for. For your safety, perform all installation steps in the sequence shown, and retain the instructions for future reference and parts ordering information. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and shift the transmission into park. Turn the ignition switch off and remove the key. Next, pull up on the front seat lever and pivot forward to remove the seat from the vehicle. Remove the negative battery terminal fastener and washer and set the cable aside. Removing the front grille can aid in front fascia removal. For vehicles equipped with a stock bumper, remove the two fasteners from each side of the bumper fascia. Pull the bumper fascia out from the vehicle and carefully set aside. Next, remove the two push rivets holding the front body panel to the bull bumper. Then, remove the four bumper bracket fasteners and carefully pull the bumper assembly with bull bumper out of the vehicle. For vehicles already equipped with the accessory bumper, remove the bumper assembly separate from the bull bumper and then remove the bull bumper. For stock bumpers, disassemble the bull bumper from the bumper brackets by removing the four bumper fasteners and nuts. Retain these fasteners for reinstallation. Open the center dashboard storage compartment. Pull up firmly on the bin inside to disengage the retainers. Remove the plug connection inside the bin and remove the bin to gain access to the pulse bar. For accessory bumpers, install the accessory bracket onto the winch assembly with the two retained fasteners. Torque the fasteners to specification. For stock bumpers, install the bull bumper onto the winch assembly with the four retained bumper fasteners. Torque the fasteners to specification. With the aid of an assistant, install the winch assembly to the chassis with the four winch mounting fasteners and two nuts. Torque the fasteners to specification. Route the winch harness along the pre-drilled holes in the chassis. Secure with the pre-installed clips on the harness. Secure the winch harness to the existing chassis harness on the vehicle with one cable tie. Use the same location where the chassis harness is mounted with an edge clip to the vehicle frame. Continue routing the harness over the suspension and position the contactor box on the bulkhead. Install the two outer fasteners until fully seated to align the inside mounting location. Then install the two inside fasteners until fully seated. Feed harnesses 1.7 and 1.17 from the contactor box through the bulkhead grommet and into the vehicle. Route harness 1.17 up under the dash and connect to the pulse bar. Connect harness 1.7 to the positive and negative terminals of the pulse bar. Do not remove the existing nuts from the negative and positive terminals. Secure the harness over the existing cable with two additional nuts and torque to specification. Locate the winch socket insert on the center console and push out to remove. Install the winch remote socket harness into the console. Then install the two socket fasteners and torque until fully seated. Route the socket harness up to the pulse bar and connect to the winch remote connector 1.17D. For vehicles equipped with a stock bumper, remove the four bumper center fascia trim fasteners and discard the trim. Install the new winch cover trim into the front fascia with the four retained bumper fascia fasteners and torque to specification. For vehicles equipped with the accessory bumper, install the bumper into the fascia support bracket with the two fasteners and torque to specification. Then, secure each upper and lower arm of the bumper with the provided fasteners and torque to specification. Reconnect the negative battery cable and torque to specification. Reinstall the seat by aligning the front bracket mounts and pushing down in the rear to engage the seat locks. Reinstall the dashboard storage compartment and ensure all four retention points are secure. Once finished, the wireless remote holder can be installed in your desired location on the vehicle. Operate the winch in both directions to test for proper operation. You can find all available Razor Pro XP accessories at razor.polaris.com. You can also find more installation videos on the Polaris Razor YouTube channel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.